Trasy Enterprises presents a high-performance hot melt adhesive coating machine. This is engineered for the efficient production of sticky traps used in UV fly catcher. This machine ensures uniform adhesive application, delivering superior tack strength that guarantees effective pest capture. Whether you are entering the pest control consumables market or scaling up production, this solution offers the perfect balance of speed, quality, and profitability. The machine supports continuous production with minimal downtime, enabling high output with consistent product quality. Its user-friendly interface and low-maintenance design reduce operational complexity, making it ideal for both new entrepreneurs and established manufacturers. It ensures consistent adhesive spread for reliable trap performance. It maximizes output while reducing labor dependency. It minimizes adhesive wastage and optimizes raw material usage. With Trasy Enterprises, you don't just invest in a machine, you invest in a scalable, profitable business opportunity. Turn growing demand in pest control into a reliable revenue stream with a solution built for performance and long-term success.